Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new session in which we will understand what will happen, which kind of impact things will create if we will talk about the variance. Suppose that we have divided a class. Okay, suppose that in your class we have created two groups. Okay, so this is group A, this is group B. So in group A, we will have N1 number of members. In group B, we will have N2 number of person. In group A, the variance is this thing. In group B, variance is this. In group A, mean will be this. In group B, mean will be this. Okay. So how will you connect the variance of these two things with the real variance? Okay, so this is variance, not standard deviation. Okay, so look at the idea. So the result is, you have to memorize this formula. The formula looks like the combined variance equals n1 variance 1 n2 variance 2 upon n1 plus n2. Okay, plus n1 n2 upon n1 plus n2 whole square with mean 1 minus mean 2 whole square. So this is the combined equation of two groups with the variance of the all class. I want you guys to memorize this formula and you have to apply it in appropriate questions to get the required result done. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of Mathflix.